Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranams to all. Welcome to the God Purnima part, God Purnima series part 3. Today we will be singing Sachesut Ashtakam. It is a very famous bhajan and it is sung before God Purnima. This bhajan basically describes the glories, the qualities, the Leelas and the descriptions of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So let us sing this bhajan. Very beautiful, very sweet and very nice. Navagaurabaram Navapushpasharam Navabhavadaram Navalasyaparam Navahasyakaram Navahemavaram Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Navagauravaram Navapushpasharam Navabhavadaram Navalasyaparam Navahasyakaram Navahemavaram Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Navapremayutam Navanityashucham Navaveshakritam Navapremarasam Navadhavilasachubhapremamayam Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Hari Bhakti Param Hari Namadaram Karajapyakaram Hari Nama Param Nayane Satatam Pranaya Shrudanam Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Satatam Janatap Bhav Satatam Janata Bhavatap Tapaharam Pranaparamaartha Parayana Lokagatim Navalehakaram Jagatapaharam Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Nija Bhaktikaram Priyacharutanam Natanartana Nagara Rajakulam Kulakamini Manasalasya Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Karatalavalam Kalakantaravam Mruduvadyam Suvi Nikya Maduram Nija Bhakti Gunavrita Natyakaram Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram Yugadharmayutam Punarnandasutam Dharani Suchitram Bhavabhauchitam Tanudyanachitam Nijavasayutam Pranamami Shachisuta Gauravaram अरुणं नयनं चरणं वसनं वदने स्फलितं स्वकनामधरं कुरुते सुरसं जगता जीवनं प्रणमामि शचि सुतगौरवरम् नवगौरवरं नवपुष्पशरं नवभावदरं नवलास्यपरं नवहास्यपरं नवहेमवरं प्रणमामि शचि सुतगौरवरं प्रणमामि शचि सुतगौरवरं प्रणमामि शचि सुतगौरवरं प्रणमामि शचि सुतगौरवरं प्रणमामि शचि सुतगौरवरं. Beautiful bhajan. Let us quickly read the meaning of the bhajan which we have sung. His complexion is the hue of fresh cream tinged with kumkuma. He is the ever fresh Cupid who shoots the arrow of newly blossoming flowers. He bears the newer and newer moods of emotional ecstasies. He is fond of performing novel dances. He makes ever new jokes that cause much laughter. His brilliant luster is like freshly cast gold. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful mother of the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. Nava premayutam nava nityashucham nava veshakritam nava premarasam navada vilasat shubha premamayam pranamami shachi suta gauravaram. The meaning of this is he is endowed with ever fresh love of Godhead. His radiant luster is like the color of fresh butter. His fresh attire is arranged in ever fresh fashions. He relishes ever new mellows of love for Krishna. He shines in the ninefold new ways while executing the ninefold processes of devotion. He is permeated with most auspicious loving nature. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. Hari Bhakti Param Hari Namadaram Karachapya Karam Hari Nama Param Nayane Satatam Pranaya Shrudaram Pranamami Sachi Suta Gauravaram. The meaning of this is he is absorbed in devotion to Sri Hari. He maintains the chanting of the names of Hari. While chanting, he counts the holy names on the finger of his hands. He is addicted to name of Hari. He always has the tears of love welling in his eyes. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. Sorry for this. Satatam janata bhavatapatapaharam paramartha parayana lokagatim navalehakaram jagatapaharam pranamami shachi suta gauravaram. So the meaning is he is always removing the suffering of material existence of mankind. He is the goal of life for persons who are dedicated to their supreme interest. He inspires men to become like honeybees, eager for the honey of Krishna Prem. He removes the burning fever of material world. I bow down to Gora, the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. We'll quickly read the meaning. He motivates the pure devotional. He who motivates pure devotion unto himself. Unto himself, who is most attractive to his beloved servitors. By his dramatic dancing, he exhibits the characteristics of kings of paramounts. He causes the minds of beautiful young village women to dance. I bow down to Gora, the beautiful the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. He plays Kartal as his throat emits the sweet melodious sounds, and the vibrant notes of Veena are softly played. He thus inspires the devotees to perform dramatic dancing that is infused with aspects of his loving devotional service. I bow down to Gora, the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. He is accompanied by Sankirtan movement, which is the religious practice in the age of Kali. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj, come again. He is the extraordinarily brilliant ornament of the earth. His preaching mood is suitably adapted to the cycle of birth and death. His consciousness is fixed in meditation on his own form of Krishna. He is always accompanied by his transcendental abode. I bow down to Gora, the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. His eyes are the souls. The soles of his feet and his clothing are reddish, like the color that heralds the rising sun. As he utters his own names, his voice flatters. He awakens the sweet flavor of life throughout the universe. I bow down to Gora, the beautiful son of Mother Shachi. श्री गौरंग महाप्रभु की जय, सची सुत अष्टकम की जय, गौर पूर्णिमा की जय, श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय, श्री नवदीप धाम की जय, श्री राधा गोपीनाथ की जय, श्री राधा गिरधारी की जय, श्री राधा रास बिहारी की जय. And thank you everyone for listening patiently. Hare Krishna.